Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I am going to be installing and reviewing this wig from Outre Perfect Hairline Linette, sent to me by Divatress. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video.
I'm just trying to kiss you on the ball. Wet on wet, right in the ocean, that's sex on sex. Sex on sex, I know. And then what's up, what's next? Pipe it up, pipe it so good it make me run, always looking underneath my gut, you say you just wanna see me, you say every time I touch upon you. Then, the next time in the soup, you like it, babe. You know you can do what you want to. Fall down, tryna fuck it, hey. Hopefully we go have no way. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully I don't leave on your own. Get you out with the bomb. Not a fuck, but you still be my hoe. Need 100,000 girls on my door. Just with my dog, then we gotta do the ball. Wait, look at me like Fortnite. Need a Fortnite. Girl, it's gonna get Fortnite. Girl, I'm looking for a boy. Every time I touch upon you, then it like 10 minutes to be like, babe, you don't need it, you want.
Okay guys, and this is the finished look for Outre's Perfect Hairline Unit Linette. I think she looks so good. I love this blonde color. I told you guys I'm getting into colors, you know. And this, which color is this? ER2 Buttered Pecan. I absolutely love this color. I think she looks so pretty, okay? Yes, I love it. And with this outfit, it is giving me like super spy vibes. I don't know, I just think it looks so good. What do you guys think? Do you think this looks as good as I do? So let me just get into the pros and cons of this hair. I don't really have that many cons for this hair, except for like the bottoms just needed to be like a little, the bottoms just feel like like the ends just feel like a little rough, like a little harsh. They just need to be like pressed out or like flat ironed with some heat just to like have it be completely smooth. But besides that, I don't really have any more cons for this hair. Pros is that it is like a full 13x4 frontal, so like the tracks are not here. I could part it on like the left side, I could part it on the right side, I could part it in the middle, I could do like a little half up half down situation, which you can see in the stock card right here. I absolutely love the way that looks. I love the length of this too. I would say this is about like a 16 inches, I believe. I wouldn't really give it 18. I believe it's about like 16 inches, and I think it looks so good. I can't stop running my hands through this hair. So once again, I would just like to say thank you to Divatress for sending me this hair. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave me a big old thumbs up to let YouTube know that you like this video and to let me know that you like this video. If you guys have any more wigs that you would like to see me review on this channel, please let me know down in the comments below. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!